So if you want to make your car last as long as possible, the best thing that you can do is follow the OEM's recommended safety and maintenance intervals. And that goes for oil changes, transmission flushes, coolant flushes, tire rotations. As long as you do all that stuff, you will get maximum life out of your car. But another thing to look for is that those maintenance services can get expensive. So if you have the means to do so, look into vehicles that have long service agreements. So for example, my wife owns a 2015 Lexus and now it's 9 years old. They had a 10-year service agreement. So she has not had to pay a whole lot for those maintenance practices over the last few years. But if she hadn't gotten that service agreement, just talking to the dealership, we would probably been out 9 to 10 grand over the last 5 years if we were paying for that maintenance out of pocket. So there's a give and take. You can extend the life of your car by doing and really, really faithful to the maintenance that's required by the OEM, or you can slack on that a little bit and save some money long term, but get a shorter lifespan out of the vehicle. And then finally, besides maintenance, is your driving habits, right? If you drive like a maniac, your car is not going to last as long as if you drive like a sane person.